you want to create content and make money without actually showing your face on a camera? Or do you want to actually advertise your products and services on different social media platforms? Yes, you don't want to show your face, or you don't want to hire a model to actually do it for you, then I've got you sorted. Now, take a look at this video that I generated.
Want a smile that speaks success? Introducing Prince Asiama toothpaste, the only toothpaste that cleans, protects, and leaves your breath royalty fresh. No harsh chemicals, just powerful natural ingredients for a brighter, healthier smile.
So I actually generated this video purely with an AI tool right now. This AI tool is called TopView. All right, guys. So this is the platform. It is called TopView.ai, right? Okay, so this tool actually helps you to generate videos using AI avatars, right? The AI avatar can, talk, can move, or even hold your products like a real person. And it's actually very easy to use, right? So now, it's having a feature called the product avatar. Okay, so this is it, product avatar, right? Yes. And it's one of their newest feature. Okay, so I'm gonna make use of this particular, product avatar, right? So, to get started, let's come here. So as you can see, there are a lot of templates here, right? There are a lot of templates here. Okay, I'll be leaving the link on the description. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's choose this one, right? Okay, so once you select your avatar, okay, so you can see replace my product image. Okay, so we're gonna replace this product image right here. Okay, so you click on replace product image. Okay, so this is the product image I want to use. So as you can see, it is removing the background. Okay, it has removed the background, and this is the product. Okay, so this is a toothpaste product, right? Okay, so I'm gonna resize it a little bit. All right, so this thing is actually very easy to do. You don't need any editing skills, right? It's very easy to do. And if you are in affiliate marketing, or if you want to advertise your own products, you can actually use these two. Okay, so once the sizes, okay, you can then go ahead and click on confirm products. I'm going to create 3 different images for you to select from. The first image has been generated, the second has been generated, and the third one too has been generated. And this is absolutely crazy. You can actually see my product in the avatar's hands. Wow. Now what we're going to do is that we are going to convert the image to video avatar. Okay, you have the light mode and you have the pro mode. Okay, so I'm going to choose the pro mode so that it will be faster. So image to avatar. This is what the AI generated for us. This is the avatar. So let's listen to what it is saying.
I'm TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use TopView Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
This is so beautiful. It looks like a human being talking, but this is AI. You can actually use your own scripts. Okay, so I'm going to use my own scripts to make it more unique. So just tap on this one here. This is where I'm going to paste my scripts, right? So I'll paste my scripts here, and then I'm going to tap on this one here, right? Because that is what we are going to use. And then you can select the voice you want. You can select any voice. Okay, so I'm going to use this particular voice. And then you click on confirm. Okay. And then you can see generate here, right? So just click on generate. Okay, then you click on export. All right, so it's loading.
Want a smile that speaks success? Introducing Prince Asiama toothpaste, the only toothpaste that cleans, protects, and leaves your breath royalty fresh. no harsh chemicals, just powerful natural ingredients for a brighter, healthier smile. Brush like a king, smile like royalty, only with Prince Asiama toothpaste.
Wow, guys, this is amazing. This is so beautiful. So I now have my own toothpaste. You understand? And I did not hire a model, a real life model. You can also do same. Okay, so if you want to give it a try, just check the description and the comments section for the link. Right now, there is also another feature, which is the product any sheet looks like. Right. So what's gonna be that you are going to put your product here, right? And then you are going to have a target image. So this is my product image. Okay. So the spectacles, it's my product image. So I'm going to allow the background to be removed, right? So the background has been removed successfully. Okay. So now I'm going to come here and then use a template. Okay. So select from public templates. If you have a template already, you can use that as well. But if you don't have a template, just come here and use that template. Okay, I'm going to use this gentleman, right? And then we're going to fix the spectacles on his eyes. All right, so okay, I think the size is okay. All right, so can do something like this, right? Then something like this. Okay, I think this will be better, right? Yeah, so once I'm done with that, what I'm going to do is to simply click on generate. Guys, this is absolutely crazy. So let's see the results. Whoa, so you can see my product is now here, right? The guy is actually wearing my product. Okay, so now there's no need to, rent a model or something. Just use this tool and it's really going to help you. And one thing, you can also convert this to a video as well. Okay, so let me tap on image to video. Okay, so I'm gonna generate it. The video has been, generated. So let's see how it looks like. Wow. Wow. If you want to make money online, if you want to make money on Instagram, any social media platform, you can, just create your own advertisements. See you another time. You can check the link in the description and in the comment section.